Welcome to my channel Z Tech. In this channel, I will tell you how you can install any application of software using command. This is basically for Mac OS operating system and Linux, but you can also do it on Windows. So for installing any application or software, simply you have to go refresh your computer and go to start. Here you can type cmd and press enter. Then here you have to go to any software that you want to install. Here there are many softwares like internet downloading manager, Chrome, iTop screen recorder, VLC media player, Visual Studio Code, WinRAR, Windows Share, Filmora, but I am going to install VLC media player, so you have to simply drag and drop it here so it get the path. Then you have to type simply space after drag and drop it. Then you have to type here space backslash n capital, C capital, R capital and C. Then you have to press enter. Hit enter. Your software will be installing using command. This is how you can install any of software using command. Then you can press OK, click next, install. This is how you can install any of your application or any software in Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating system. So if you find any problem in installing these applications, you simply comment below. I will try to solve it. Basically it is method for Linux and Mac OS operating systems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.